we'll take off.
Okay, so...
Step 1.
And then signal.
Nope, not yet.
Oh.
You want to get your car ready for takeoff.
Okay.
That's your step 2. Then you do smog.
So then signal.
Yep.
And then I have to
This mirror.
check the mirrors.
That's just in case somebody's rolling down the hill behind you.
And then good look.
Over the shoulder. Just that one.
Just that one?
Yep.
Okay. And then
G is for go. Or give her gas. So yeah, I just I give you that acronym just to help you remember the steps, because they'll be testing you on pulling over to the side of the road and pulling away, and you always do that. Signal, mirror, over the shoulder before you go. It's the same thing with the lane changes too.
yeah.
In that order. Today's just like an introduction to these things. We'll be doing them over and over again. It's all muscle memory stuff. We're gonna go up to the set of lights and we'll turn right at the lights. Nice. When you're ready, we'll go ahead and make a left lane change. Smog. See, cars make smog. There you go. It's a little scary at first to do the lane changes, because when you're checking that blind spot, it's taking your attention away from what's happening in front. So with the blind spots, basically you're allowing your peripheral vision to catch light and motion. Anything there, you'll see it. You don't necessarily have to look at anything in like directly at it. Let's make a right lane change. So signal.
Okay. Signal, mirror, and then check.
Perfect. You're managing your speed at 50.
Yeah. Trying to stay as close as I can.
Yeah, it's normal to fluctuate a little bit over, a little bit under. So long as they see that you're making that effort to hold it at around 50. This set of lights here, we're going to make a right turn. And then at the four-way, we're going to make a left turn. So we'll do a roadside stop. All that means is we're just going to pull over safely to the right side of the road. So go ahead and do that.
Signal.
That's good.
Park. Braking.
You got her. And then The one thing left to do for the roadside stop is, let's say you were getting out to change a tire or check something, especially at nighttime. You want to be more visible to others, so you put your hazard lights on. Go ahead and push that. There we go. That completes the maneuver.
Okay.
Roadside stop. And we'll take off.
Wait. I gotta get the cart ready.
Yeah.
And then signal. And then the mirrors. And I'm good.
Good to go. And right stop at the stop sign.
Right stop?
Right turn at the stop
Okay.
sign. Looks like they've been putting salt on the road here.
Yeah.
That tells me that they are expecting snow. I'll have to check the weather there later. So we're going to park it by the rocks over here.
Parking brake.
And one more thing. Which way do you want to turn your wheels here?
Wheels.
We're parking on a hill.
Do they want to face like this? Or like...
Remember from the other hill?
Yeah, I'm trying to.
Which?
Like this?
Yeah. Yeah, because then the car will roll that way. The back of the car will start rolling that way, off the road. Okay, let's take off. That's step one.
Ready?
Step two.
Signal. Mirrors. So I'm gonna wait for this man.
Okay, cancel your signal when he's coming up the hill.
There's a couple of them.
It's getting busy here all of a sudden.
Yeah. Well, home time.
Yeah.
Okay, signal. Check again. Here.
Yeah, excellent. Okay, we'll make a right turn over here. Yeah, the hill parking is the type of thing where you just got to do it over and over again.
Yeah.
And if you do it the same way each time, it gets into your muscle memory a lot quicker. Yeah, we're going to keep going straight. And a left turn at the stop sign. Here you can stop right at the edge of the road where the two roads meet. There, can you see, like maybe see the curb through this little window?
A little bit.
Okay, so when you see the curb in this little window, or approximately, then you know that the nose of your car isn't out too far.
Okay. I'm good to go.
Yeah. And just somewhere down here, we'll park it on the hill again.
Okay. Parking brake.
Yeah, you got her. Good. Okay. We'll take off.
Let it go.
It's like a dance routine.
Yeah.
We're gonna make a left turn here. And we're gonna go right to the stop sign up there.
Are we going through or turning?
And we're gonna turn left.
Oh.
We're gonna circle back to this hill after. We're gonna do something first though. So we'll go right to the top. And we're gonna go straight at the stop sign. Good. Another little cul-de-sac up ahead. We'll turn it around.
Okay.
Oh yeah. Actually, I just want to stop here for a second. Let's just stop it right here.
Right here?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. And
Parking brake.
well, I see somebody's at the door. Let's move it away so we're not blocking the driveway in case they want to come out here. We'll just pull over maybe to the side of the road over there.
Right here.
Yeah. Yeah, here's good. Okay, so you stay in the car. I'm gonna get out. I'm just gonna show you exactly where your blind spots are. Just put your window down. I'm gonna come over to your side. Normally, you won't have this little mirror. You won't be able to see me in this mirror at all when I'm standing in your blind spot.
Okay.
That's right.
Yeah. No. Okay.
You notice that when you turned your head, you saw me right away, right?
Yeah.
It didn't take you long to see me, so it's just a snap. It's just a snap of your head back and then back to the front again. Change your lanes. It's the same thing on this side here. So, see me here?
No.
Okay, so that's your blind spot.
Okay.
So that's how much you got to turn your head. And most of what you'll see is in your peripheral vision. And like I said, like your peripheral vision, our eyes see light and motion.
Yeah.
Anything that moves, anything that's shiny. So, okay. I get some students when they're checking their blind spot, it's like this. But what they want to see is your shoulder move into it. You kind of have to lean into it a little bit. We're going to keep going straight here. You just went through the stop sign. Didn't even stop. Didn't even observe, like didn't even scan the intersection at all. I'm going to park it on the downhill. And just be careful because there was a truck there. So right along this curb here, if you can.